Hi. If you want to send voice messages on Discord, there is no inbuilt feature right now which does that. So we need to use an external plugin called Vencord. If you go to vencord.dev, this is the home page, you can download Vencord and then download vencord installer.exe. I already have it here in my downloads. Vencord. Let me see. Yeah, Vencord installer. And then you can just use the stable or the custom install location. And then you can just go ahead and install that. Before you install this program, you need to close Discord fully because it will not install if your Discord is open. If Discord is still open, fully close it first, then start it and verify didn't start successfully. Okay. There we go. I'm gonna open my Discord now. And we're gonna go to our user settings in the bottom left. And there should be a new tab. Yep, there we go. It's Vencord. Okay, so now in Vencord, there are a bunch of plugins. And in the plugins list, you want to search for voice. And we can see here voice messages. Allows you to send voice messages like on mobile. So you can just turn that on. And now, whenever we want to send a message, if we click on the plus, we can send a voice message, start recording, upload the file, and send it away, just like on your mobile phone.